Hello students, in this session of maths, we will learn about numbers. Hello students, in this session of maths, we will learn about numbers. Now, what do you all mean by numbers? The answer is, number is a series of symbols starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let us see some examples of how to count and how to write the numbers. As you can see, there are stars on the screen. Let us count the number of stars, that is 1, 2 and 3. Yes, as you can see, there are 3 stars. Likewise, we are going to study more such examples with different shapes. Let us start with circle. So, let us count the number of circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many circles are there? 5. So, the answer is 5 circles are there. Here we have some more examples of count and write, starting with the first shape, that is happy faces. Let us count the number of happy faces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of triangles, 1 and 2. So here we can see the number of happy faces, squares and triangles are different. Answer is happy faces are 5, number of squares are 4, number of triangles are 2. Now we will learn more about numbers. Starting from 1, we will count up to 25. You can repeat it after me. Okay? Now starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and last is 25. Very good. Now let us learn the spellings of these numbers, which are known as number names. Okay, so we will learn the number names from 1 to 25. I have written the names, the spellings of the numbers. You can see the spellings and you can repeat it after me, or you can just learn it. You can write it also. Just be careful with the spelling of 14. It is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. It is not F-O-R-T-E-E-N. It will be incorrect if you write F-O-R. 14 means 4 and teen. So you have to write the complete spelling together. Okay? So we'll learn about the spellings. Starting from 1, the spelling of 1 is O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Clear, everyone? Coming to 11, it's E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13, T-H-I-R, third, T-E-E-N, teen, 13. 14, F-O-U-R, 4, T-E-E-N, teen, 14. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 17, S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, teen, 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Here double T will not come. 18, in 18 E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N is the spelling. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Coming to 21, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20 and 1, O-N-E, 1. You all know the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by now. So we will add 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4 like that only. Okay. So 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20 and T-W-O, 22. 23, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-H-R-E-E, 23. 24, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, F-O-U-R, 4, 4, 24. 25, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, F-I-V-E, 5, 25. So in this slide we have the examples based on number names. On the screen you can see a question, write the number names for. We have random numbers from 1 to 25 and we have to write the number names of the number. So the questions will be like this only. I am dictating the question for you. The question is, write the number names for. First is 2. The answer is T-W-O, 2. Second question is 10. Answer is T-E-N, 10. Third question is 15. Answer is F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Fourth question is 25. Answer is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. F-I-V-E, 5. Then next is 6. S-I-X, 6. Next is 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then the last question is 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The questions will be like this only in your exams also and in your class test also. Now, your home assignment is learning numbers from 1 to 25 and the number names and practicing count and write. Number names I have shown you in the slides above. You can copy it down and you can write it in your rough copy or your maths copy, anywhere you want. And practice count and write. It is in slide number 4. You can count any thing you have around you. Pencils, number of pencils, number of copies, number of books, number of shoes, anything you can count and you can write. Thank you.